Today in this video, I will show you how you can easily download ringtones on your iPhone. In order to do that, you have to follow some easy methods. First of all, go to NCS and download the ringtone which you want to set as your ringtone. After successful download of your ringtone, you have to go to downloads and see where it is saved. You have to select the search icon, then you can see where your ringtone is saved. You can see it is saved here. Now go to GarageBand. In this app, go to My Songs. In the My Songs, you can see the plus icon. Touch on the plus icon, then select audio recorder. In the audio recorder, you have to select the third icon from left. Now it will go to the recording mode. You have to uncheck the blue box, click on this icon. Now you have to select your files by clicking on Files. After clicking, you can see Browse Items from your file. You have to select the file you want to set as ringtone. Select the ringtone which you want to set. It is already here. Now click on this. You have to tap and hold this ringtone to set it. Now it will come to the recording mode. You have to drag and select the plus icon. You have to tick on this and set it as 30. Here you have to select 30 bars. 30 bars means 30 seconds. Generally ringtones last for 30 seconds. Now you have to drag up to 30 seconds. You can select the portion of the ringtone according to your preference. Now drag it to the bottom, drag it to the last part. Now play. In order to save this ringtone, you have to click on the first icon and select My Songs. After that, it will download the ringtone in 30 seconds. Now tap on Share. You can see ringtone option. Tap this ringtone icon, then continue. Then you can name it as per your preference. As it is downloaded from NCS, I will name it NCS. Now export. After that, now you can select the ringtone from this app, set standard ringtone. Now your ringtone is set. Now go to settings. I will show you. In the settings option, you can see that NCS is tick mark is on NCS. It means your ringtone is set successfully. In this way, you can create your ringtone and set it on your iPhone. Hope you have enjoyed this video very much. Thank you.